Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Betmgm gift cards. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar, type in Betmgm gift cards. Once you type it in, you'll get these kind of results. From this, click on the first link where it says Betmgm, and then it will take you to this page. Now in this space, scroll a bit down. Then at first, you'll have to enter your location in this box. Once you enter your location, you can also select your range from this drop down. And once you have selected that, you can leave other option as it is now. At last, click on this search button. Then it will show you the location where you can find Betmgm gift cards. You can either contact the retailer or go to the store and buy it. You will get gift cards just as shown in these pictures. And once you receive the gift card, you can redeem it in the Betmgm website and use that amount to place bets on different matches. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.